Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 11th of March 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. Flipkart has signed a multi-year strategic relationship with which platform to help it advance its innovation and cloud strategy domains? So, the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Google Cloud. So, recently the multi-year strategic agreement was signed between Flipkart and Google Cloud. It was signed to assist Flipkart to accelerate its innovation and cloud strategy domain. So basically, it will help Flipkart to attain its next phase of expansion and attain the goal of enrolling India's next 200 million buyers and lakhs of vendors. So basically, due to this partnership, robust app access will be granted by the Flipkart. It will perform excellently even during the peak purchase season when traffic increase. So Flipkart will leverage secure, scalable global infrastructure and powerful networking technology of Google Cloud. So the data platform of Flipkart will be improved because of Google Cloud's superior data analytics and machine learning capabilities. So Flipkart will be able to access and evaluate traffic and transaction data. It will be able to get real-time insight about client purchasing and their shopping pattern. Okay, so now question number 2. What is the name of Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited comprehensive health insurance policy aimed specifically at providing health security to women? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Star Women Care Insurance Policy. So recently the Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited have launched Star Women Care Insurance Policy. So the policy is a women-centric comprehensive health cover policy specifically dedicated to granting health security to women at every stage of their life. So it is available at both on individual policy and women between the age group 18 years up to 75 years are eligible to opt for this policy. So basically, they don't have to undergo any pre-medical test to avail this policy. So basically, the premium amount can be paid in quarterly or half-yearly installment and the policy term can be from 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. So it covers regular hospitalization along with the cover of assist reproduction treatment delivery, that is pre and post natal cover, multiple medical consultation, preventive healthcare checkup, voluntary sanitization as well as child hospitalization. Apart from that, mother can grant health cover for their newborn child, in which the newborn child will get health cover of up to 25% of the sum assured from one and 100% of the sum assured from the next subsequent year onwards. Do remember, the headquarters of Star Health and Allied Insurance Company is situated in Chennai. Okay, so now question number 3. Snap Incorporation has worked with which organization to improve augmented reality capabilities among Indian youths? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is NITI Aayog AIM. So recently NITI Aayog Atal Innovation Mission has partnered with Snap Incorporation, which is the camera firm that owns the social media platform Snapchat. So they have partnered to develop augmented reality skill among youths of India. They will also launch national-wide AR making hackathon. So the hackathon will encourage the participation of female in AR. In the 2 year of time span, Snap Incorporation is expected to train over 12,000 teachers affiliated with the Atal Tinkering Labs on augmented reality. So these trained teachers will further educate millions of students affiliated with Atal network of school. So Snap Incorporation also collaborated with the Atal Incubation Center, which will support the Indian startup ecosystem in the AR domain. Now question number 4. Which country ICMR MoU with India was authorized by the cabinet to strengthen scientific research and technology development cooperation? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Germany. So recently the Union Cabinet has approved MoU between Indian Council of Medical Research and DFG of Germany. So the MoU was approved to exchange cooperation in the field of scientific research and technological development. So MoU will allow both the countries to explore fields like medical science, perform research in rare disease. Apart from that, both the entities will have joint funding to conduct scientific project, workshop, seminar at high scientific standard. Okay, so now question number 5. Which bank launched the HouseWorkIsWork initiative? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Axis Bank. So recently HouseWorkIsWork initiative was launched by Axis Bank. It grants opportunity to the woman who wants to resume their professional work as an urban educated woman participation in the workforce not up to the required level. So it will generate confidence among the women to work, develop skills and gain their required job as per their skills and education. Okay, do remember the headquarters of Axis Bank situated in Mumbai and the MD and CEO of Axis Bank named as Amitabh Chaudhary. Okay, so now question number 6. Which software firm has partnered with NSDL Payment Bank and NPCI to launch the VoiceSe UPI payment service for feature phone users? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is ToneTag. So recently, ToneTag has partnered with NSDL Payment Bank and NPCI to launch VoiceSe UPI payment service for feature phone users. So this comes after the Reserve Bank of India has launched the UPI 123 pay facilities that enable UPI payment for feature phone users. So basically ToneTag is a sound-based proximity communication and payment service provider based in Bangalore in Karnataka. Okay, so now question number 7. The RBI has extended the interest subsidy scheme to whom? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is exporters. So recently, with the aim of expanding export shipments, the Reserve Bank of India extend their interest acquisition scheme for pre and post shipment rupee loan for MSME exporters through March 2024. So the interest acquisition scheme for pre and post shipment rupees export credit provide a subsidy to exporters. So the scheme was first extended until the end of June last year and then again until September 2021. Okay, so now question number 8. Which state is authorized for Kaushalya Matritva Yojana? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Chhattisgarh. So recently Chhattisgarh government launched Kaushalya Matritva Yojana. It was launched during a state level women conference held at BTI ground in Raipur by CM of the state. So the launch took place by hanging out rupees 5,000 checks for 5 beneficiaries for safe motherhood. So the scheme aims to give financial support to the women so that they can opt for good nutrition for themselves as well as their newborn child. It will help to prevent female feticide. So the fund of rupees 5,000 will be granted to women to bring up their second girl child. So that is on the birth of second daughter, women receiver are eligible for a lump payment aid of rupees 5,000. Also, the book titled Kanya Vivah Yojana Coffee Table Book and the Saki One Stop Center Telephone Directory was released by the CM. Okay, so now question number 9. Which fintech startup has just partnered with IIFL Finance? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is NIRA. So recently, the IIFL Finance has partnered with fintech NIRA. They have partnered to an exchange digitalization by offering personal loan. So the loan up to rupees 1 lakh from IIFL Finance will be given to the salary people by the NIR app. So do remember the headquarters of NIRA situated in Bangalore and the headquarters of IIFL Finance Limited situated in Mumbai. Okay, now question number 10. Which insurance company has partnered with Common Service Center to provide clients with credit products through a network of village level entrepreneurs? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is LIC. So recently the LIC Housing Finance Limited has partnered with Common Service Center. Under this partnership, they will offer loan product to the customer by the network of village level entrepreneurs. Okay,